Ladies, gents, welcome back to The Random. I'm your host, Smallwood Worldwide. We're back again with another video. And guess what? We're going to unbox the AirTags 4-pack edition. Let's get to it. So, if you don't know, AirTags is one of Apple's latest new products here. They released, it's coming out. Super easy way to keep track of your stuff. You can attach it to your keys, put it in your backpack, your purse, your car, whatever you see fit. Let's get into it and see how Apple has this packaged up. Also, shout out to Apple for having that fantastic event here last week where they unveiled all kinds of products. If you don't know, you should have by now had the opportunity to pre-order your new iPad Pro, your iMacs, your new Apple TVs, or if you don't want to get the entire Apple TV, you can just pre-order the Apple TV remote as well. But for now, let's take a look at the AirTag. All the usual paperwork that comes with things. Let's get that out of here. Look at that. Looks nice. And let's get that in the frame as well. Good deal. So, as you can see, letting you know that you have to update to the latest OS, of course, to make this happen. Let's pluck this out. Listen at that sound. If you look at this, looks like a small badge, small button. Very well designed, typical of Apple. I actually like it like this. Chose not to monogram it. Chose not to also buy one of the many accessories they have with it. But with that being said, let's get it set up. Ladies, gents, here we go. Again, Apple Magic. By merely holding the AirTag right next to it, you'll be prompted here with the option to connect. We'll connect. Let's actually take a look here. So we can name it for backpack, bike, camera, handbag, headphones, jacket, keys, luggage, umbrella, wallet, or a custom name. You know what? For this one, I'm going to call it the wallet for now, for the sake of this video. We'll go here. As you can see, it's setting up. And there it is. From there, you go to the Find My app. It'll show you how to do the precision finding. We will show you a video on that as well. And for all intents and purposes, this unboxing is done. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know what you think about the AirTag. Do you like it? Have you gotten it so far? And also, of course, stay tuned for our next video. It's going to highlight how to utilize it. Peace.